We have received an alert. GBP, CHF a sell alert confirmation. Our candle bar is above the middle line of our Bollinger Band, indicating a high likelihood that the trend will decline in the next few seconds. This presents an excellent opportunity to trade lower. Our strategy involves trading for 1 minute using a Bollinger Band and a 1-minute candle bar or time frame. We have to set our Bollinger Bands period to 12, with a standard deviation of 3. There is also a buy alert for GBP, JPY, but its return rate is only 63%. I recommend aiming for at least an 80% return, as the rates for pocket option currencies can vary over time. Currently, we are achieving results with a 70% to 80% return rate. GBP CHF has a buy alert confirmation. It has reached the lowest Bollinger Band, indicating a higher chance for the trend to go up. Let's trade higher. We lost on that trade, but we are still achieving a positive trading output. GBP CHF sell confirmation. Let's trade lower. Good trading strategy. Follow us for more trading tricks and become one of the successful binary options traders.